stuck in a cycle of making excuses, delaying your dreams, and feeling frustrated with where you are? It's time to stop lying to yourself and take control. In this video, we're diving into practical, actionable steps you can take today to achieve your goals and turn your life around. No more excuses, no more procrastination, it's your time to succeed. Let's get started. Break down tasks into manageable steps. Start with small, simple tasks that you can accomplish, no matter how trivial they seem. This builds momentum and confidence. Be humble and realistic. Recognize how far down you are when struggling. Acknowledge where you are, even if it's humiliating, and start progressing from there. Create achievable commitments. Set small commitments and keep them to build self-discipline. Over time, small wins will lead to significant progress. Confront your problems. Tackle issues head-on, even if they seem like small parts of a larger, daunting challenge. Every problem could be connected to bigger, underlying issues. Collaborate in problem-solving. Work with others to identify problems and solutions. Break down complex problems into smaller tasks that are achievable. Focus on long-term consistency. Keep the tasks manageable to ensure you can complete them consistently. Consistency leads to exponential progress over time. Expose yourself to challenges gradually. If you're fearful or anxious, confront your fears incrementally. Start with tasks you can handle and slowly increase difficulty. Embrace discomfort. Progress often involves facing challenges that make you feel vulnerable or inadequate. Push through the initial discomfort, as it is a part of growth. Understand your fears. Dig deeper into what's causing your anxiety or resistance. Often, the visible issue is just the surface, and the real cause needs to be addressed. Use small successes to build self-efficacy. Each small task you complete adds to your perception of self-capability, building the belief that you can handle bigger tasks. Develop a personal strategy for improvement. Identify what would make things better and create a plan with steps you can take to improve your situation. Take responsibility. Own your role in your struggles and acknowledge areas where you might need to change. This empowers you to control your situation. Stop lying to yourself. Commit to honesty with yourself and others. Lies create more complications and distance you from real solutions. Diagnose your problems thoroughly. Don't rush to fix problems before fully understanding their root cause. Proper diagnosis is key to long-term resolution. Have meaningful conversations. Listen to the people around you without judgment to uncover deeper truths about problems and work towards better solutions together. Improve personal relationships through communication. Have regular, constructive conversations with your spouse or partner to address underlying issues and avoid future conflict. Integrate responsibility into your identity. Take responsibility for areas of your life that feel out of control. This could include building stronger relationships, being proactive at work, or contributing to your community. Approach problems collaboratively. When helping others, ensure that the solution is one they agree on and feel ownership of. This increases the likelihood of success. Recognize the importance of family dynamics. Understand that small actions like cleaning a room can represent larger family or psychological dynamics. Start small but acknowledge the bigger impact. Accept that change is gradual. Be patient with yourself as you work through challenges. Each step forward builds exponentially, even if the beginning seems slow. Stay curious and keep learning. Cultivate curiosity in every aspect of life. Continue educating yourself, learning from others, and finding new solutions to problems. Now that you've learned the tools to stop holding yourself back, it's time to apply them. Remember, change starts with honesty and small, consistent steps. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful tips on achieving your goals.